Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Sharing Wi-Fi from one iPhone to another is a convenient way to grant internet access without sharing your password. This feature is particularly useful when you have friends or family visiting who needs to connect their devices to your Wi-Fi network. So firstly, make sure that the both devices are updated. Make sure both iPhones are running the latest version of iOS. Then after that, simply go to the settings app in your iPhone device in the both of the your devices, because both devices must have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. If you don't have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on, then you cannot share passwords between two Wi-Fi. So make sure that both of them are turned on. So after that, ensure that the person you are sharing the Wi-Fi with is in your contact list and the two iPhones are close to each other. Then after the Wi-Fi are close to each other, the share password button on your iPhone will appear on your screen. Then simply tap on it to confirm. By following these steps, you can seamlessly share your Wi-Fi network with other iPhones, enhancing convenience while maintaining security. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.